So here the problem is the capacitor C is in series with a 75 ohm resistor and a 12 Henry coil across a 220 volt 60 Hz supply. Determine value of C that resonates the circuit. So here there is a coil whose resistance is 75 ohms and 12 Henry. Inductance is 12 Henry. And a capacitor C is connected in series with the coil. And that combination is connected to a 220 volt 60 Hz supply. And the circuit resonates at 60 Hz supply. And the C value is not given. We have to find the value of C. So first let us try to draw the diagram. So resistor, inductor, capacitor. So I am representing the coil as resistance and inductance connected in series, and this combination is connected to a voltage source whose value is 220 volt 60 Hz supply, and the circuit resonates at the same frequency 60 Hz supply, and the resistance of the coil is given as 75 ohms, inductance of the coil is given as 12 Henry, and what is the value of C such that circuit resonates at 60 Hz. So we know frequency of resonance, so that is resonance frequency Fr equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC Hertz. And from this, so we accept C, we know all the values. Fr is given, L value is known, so extract C. So C is equals to 1 by L 2 pi Fr whole square. So 2 pi Fr is also known as omega R. So 2 pi Fr is omega R. So if you substitute the values, 1 by L value is 12 Henry, 2 pi Fr is 60 Hz and whole square. So if we solve this, so we get capacitor is equals to, value of the capacitor is equals to 586 nanofarad. So if we keep 586 nanofarad in series with the coil, so the circuit resonates at this frequency 60 Hz.